Hey everyone, welcome to the guide on how to create EVM wallet address in MetaMask. Let's dive right in. First, open the MetaMask app on your mobile device. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see a navigation bar. Tap on the browser icon, it's the fourth option from the left. In the search bar at the top, type Core DAO and tap the search button. From the search results, open the first link. This should take you to coredao.org. Once the website loads, accept any cookie notifications if asked. Then scroll down until you see the option that says Add Core Network. Tap on it. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Go ahead and tap Approve or Confirm in the bottom right corner. This will add the core network to your MetaMask. After confirmation, you'll see a message indicating that the network has been successfully added. Review the details, then tap Got it. And that's it. Your MetaMask wallet is now set up with an EVM-compatible address. You're ready to interact with Ethereum and other EVM networks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching.